Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case which is based on section 263 revision proceedings which can be done by Principal Commissioner of Income Tax within a period of 2 years from the end of the financial year in which the assessment order passed by the assessing officer. The present issue before the Honorable Nagpur ITAT bench was that whether an order passed by assessing officer under section 144 which is based on estimation basis can be revised simply on the basis that the estimation done by the assessing officer is at a low rate and this estimation should have been at a higher rate. This issue has been taken up by the tribunal in the case of Sanjay Umarashi Dand versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 124 ITR Tribunal at page number 399, and the date of the judgment is 10th February 2025. In the present case, the assessee is dealing in agro-based industries, and during the financial year which is relevant to the assessment year 14-15, the assessing officer received some information from the investigation wing that the assessee has entered into some high value transactions through bank. The case of the assessee was opened under section 148. The notice under section 148 was sent to the assessee. Assessee filed the return under section 148 which was treated as invalid by the assessing officer, and after that the notices under section 142 subsection 1 were sent to the assessee, but the assessee didn't comply with the notices, so the assessing officer do not have any option just to complete the assessment to the best of his judgment under section 144, and he applied a very reasonable rate of 2% on the banking transactions and made an addition. After that, the learned Principal Commissioner of Income Tax initiated the revision proceedings under section 263 on the ground that the assessing officer has taken a very low rate for this estimation, and this rate is very low and it should be at some higher rate. When this matter was heard by the tribunal, because the assessee filed the appeal in the tribunal said that once the order under section 144 is passed by the assessing officer, it is after considering all the relevant material and after considering the entire matter in totality. The tribunal said that section 144 gives power to complete the assessment to the best of his judgment in case of assessee is not responding to the notices sent by the assessing officer. The tribunal said that this power is absolute, and if the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax will be allowed to revise the order passed under section 144, then it will be like interfering with the AO's power to make the assessment under section 144, which is not as per the mandate of the law. According to the tribunal, if this will be allowed, then it will mean that every order which is passed under section 144 will be amenable under section 263, and that is not the intention of the section 263. The tribunal said that in the present case, moreover, the assessing officer has assessed the income at higher rate than what has been referred by the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. So in the present case, the revision proceedings under section 263 does not fulfill the twin criteria of section 263 that the order should be erroneous and prejudicial to the revenue. So in the present case, it is very clear from the facts of the case that no prejudice has caused to the revenue, so the proceedings under section 263 are not valid. The tribunal said that in the present case there is no denying the fact in the present case that the assessing officer was compelled to complete the assessment under section 144. The tribunal also said that this case cannot be said that this is a case of inadequate inquiries. So the tribunal quashed the proceedings under section 263. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Sanjay Umarashi Dand versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 124 ITR Tribunal at page number 399, and the date of the judgment is 10th February 2025. Thank you, friends.